All right, so real quick, I just wanted to show you in Camtasia how you do the intros and outros. So what I am going to do is if we go over here to library in Camtasia, and by the way, I believe that this is only in 2019. I don't believe that these existed in 2018. So if you go under library, there are actually multiple libraries, and so this is the default one. They also have things that you can go download, which are on their website that are not yet here, and those go under downloads. But these are the ones that come out of the box, and you can go over here under intros, and there's a bunch of different animations and things that you can pick. And so whenever you go open one of these up, what it does is it basically allows you to set your brand assets. So here's a little preview of what the thing looks like. That it opened in the new window so you couldn't see it. And so all of these colors and text you should be able to customize in every single one of them. So what I'll do is I'll take one of these and I'll just drag it into the track. And then when you're here, you get these settings pop up. So you can change your theme. And so you can actually, set these to be default. And so you can put your brand in here and your subtitles and whatever, and then you can make your primary, secondary colors. And then that will completely change how this thing is going to look. So we can say that this is going to be for Mar Tech Wise, right? And then the subtitle is going to be whatever the subtitle is. And we're going to do this, and then I'll just go try to pick a reasonable color here that kind of goes along with it. I think we're using yellow, something in the yellow family. And if I can get to the right spot on the thing here, we'll do this. And then we'll have our primary, secondary colors. And then I guess I'll leave the second one as being, okay, that's bluish. Let's go over here and make it white or something. And then we'll do this. And now we have a customized video where it looks like for this particular one, it let me change it. The purple, I guess, is default. The green is default. But then I can control that band and then the other band here for this particular one. So these options are going to change as you open up each one of these. And we can also change that. So each one of these is a little bit different with what it actually allows you to do. They have different effects. Some of them are just animations like you see. And some of them are more complicated. Like I think this is probably some kind of a stock video with like fiber optic lights or something in it, and then they're just laying their text on top of it. Because in here, I think the only thing that you can actually change is the color of that box that the text is going to be laid on top of. But yeah, and so you've got that, and you've also got you also have audio tracks. So you've got a whole list of intros and outros and other lower thirds, and all of these things are built in. And then you go over here to the I'm sorry, I think audio is actually in here. I'm sorry, yeah, it's music tracks. So we can go in here, and there's it's not a big library, but there were some decent ones. I think I may have picked, I'm not sure, maybe this one. Go drop this on here, and then you've got an audio track to go with your intros. And then if you want to, I'm going to actually get rid of this one really quick. If you want to, add some other transitions and stuff, we can go in here, for example, and then do a fade to black on your intros, which will do both the beginning and the end. And then we can do the same thing on the audio effects, where once we go in here, so we can do the fade in and fade out on the audio as well to make it so you can start and stop kind of wherever you want to. I'm going to compress this guy because it doesn't need to be 2 minutes long. And I'm going to go ahead and align this here until this is only, 8 seconds or however long it is. And then I've got to fade in, I've got to fade out, and then you can control where those start and stop. And now we have, here, I'm going to actually make it louder right at the beginning here. And now I've got an 8-second intro. So, and then you can save the templates on these. So if you have your brand elements and you have your colors and everything set, you can take that and reuse that, with these themes, I believe, and make it so you can have your intros and your outros and everything kind of synchronized. So yeah, that's how you do it in Camtasia, and then I'll drop a link to the place on the website where it actually links you to go get more. Sorry, it's in the library. Yeah, so if you go in here and you go download more assets, it'll open this in your browser, and then they do have a fair amount more stuff that you can download for free as part of your, I guess, your annual subscription that you get with Camtasia, and then you just click on these and it downloads them. So it's a pretty big library of effects. They have some cool stuff, like they've got a lot of like particle effects and fire, if you're into that, motion backgrounds, which I think a lot of those it doesn't come with. And then as you can see, there's intros and outros here. There might be a little bit more stuff in the store than is downloaded that's pre-installed. So anyway, that's it.